In this tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to use a simple text-to-speech function on the BeagleBone Blue using both ALSA and Flight to output data to a USB audio adapter. This adapter is connected to a speaker on a Scuttle robot driven by a BeagleBone Blue and developed by Texas A&M University. Because I'm using a USB adapter, I need to make sure that it is connected to my USB hub. To do this, in my terminal, I will type LSUSB to show all my devices on my USB hub. Typically, you will only see your root hub. Once you plug in a device, you can see it appear in this window. Because there is no onboard speaker on the BeagleBone, you will not hear a chime like you do at Windows, such as However, the BeagleBone is just like any other computer that will auto-detect USB devices that are plugged in. To view the different audio devices connected, use a ALSA function called aPlay. Use the argument -L, lowercase l, to view the different hardware devices you have. I only have one connected, which is on card 1, device 0. If you have multiple devices or multiple cards, you will need to change a file in your home directory. In Linux, that is represented by a tilde. In Cloud 9, this is typically hidden, but you can show this by going to the cog in your workspace and selecting the Show Home and Favorites. Once there, you will either need to modify or create a file called .aSoundRC. In that file, paste or type the commands shown here highlighted. If you need to change anything, make sure you save before continuing. For me, I have card 1, device 0, which is represented here and here. To test your speaker or other device, you can use another ALSA function with aPlay by going to a set of default WAV files provided for you. Type in aPlay/user/share/sounds/ALSA, and to view the different WAV files provided to you, you can hit Tab twice to view them all. I will play the file called frontcenter.wave, which will speak the words front center.
Front center.
Once playback is complete, I will regain control of my terminal. If you cannot hear or have a hard time hearing your sound off your speaker, you can go to the onboard mixer provided by ALSA, called ALSA Mixer. Here you can change the different gains with your speaker and your microphone. To view help for this menu, you will need to press the F1 key. To close both the help window and ALSA Mixer, hit the escape key. Any other commands referring to aPlay can be shown using the -H option to display a help menu. There is another way to output audio using what is called Flight. If you are connected to the internet, you can go to sudo apt-get install and type in Flight, lowercase f, to install the package. Once you are installed, you can use Flight-T to tell the function that you're using a text input to output on your speaker. Open your quotation marks and type in something like "Hello World," and hit enter to view that data.
Hello World.
There are many more different functions for Flight that you can use to view these. Flight-H. Any other questions about the Scuttle robot, the BeagleBone Blue, or the Linux packages discussed will be referred to in the description below.